What is up, my Nova babies? It's your girl NovaStarr. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and hit the subscribe button because it's a vibe over here. Okay, now today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little different for you guys. I'm actually gonna be doing a kitchen and pantry organization video. Now it's not gonna be super long because I don't got like hella stuff, but your girl did go grocery shopping last night and I didn't put away nothing, y'all. Like, I cut up my strawberries just because I wanted some last night, and I just was like, you know, if I'm gonna do some, I might as well do them all. But other than that, I didn't put nothing away. So yeah, like I said, it's not gonna be super long, but I don't want to do too much talking right now, so I'm just going ahead and jump straight into the video. So your girl is back, and as y'all can see, I kind of got a lot of stuff going on, like a lot. I got stuff everywhere, but we gonna get it together, okay? Okay, so over here, what we got going on is like the juices and the bread and stuff. So I'm gonna deal with that first. And since I'm throwing away like the packaging that like tells the date when it expires and stuff, what I like to do is just write it down. Like, I threw away my old one already. Like, this is one I had with like this some cinnamon buns, but or some cinnamon bread, I should say. So this one I think I'm gonna put in this container, and then we're just gonna pretty much do it like that. I'm gonna move you guys a little bit closer so you can see. To me. Okay guys, so right now we're like in the little snack area. I gotta go through this stuff because this is old, and this is old. So I'm throwing these away, and I'm gonna put the new stuff up here. So I'm just gonna put this down here for right now. Now you may have saw me have chips in that little like container like this, well like this one kind of, but I'm just waiting until I get more canisters like this, just because the ones I just put down, they made the stuff go stale really fast. So I'm just gonna switch all of them to like stuff like this. So I'm just waiting till they come in. But yeah y'all, so about to just go back to organizing. Okay, Nova baby, so your girl is back. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you was like able to flow with it. I do plan on doing more, but if you guys want to see more, drop it down in the comments. And yeah, I'm looking at my pantry if y'all wonder what I'm looking at. But yeah y'all, like I was saying, my chip stuff, I usually put those in like the little canisters, but the ones I told y'all that had the stuff that was old, I just didn't want to put them in there just because like it keeps for like a couple days, but it gets stale a lot quicker than what it should. So until my new ones come in, and they gonna pretty much look just like the other ones, but until they come in, they just gonna stay in them bags. But y'all, I hate the way they look in the bags, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. And I can't find like a container to fit both chips inside here to put inside the pantry, so that's why they sitting on top of the refrigerator for right now. Okay. Same for the cereal too, because I was putting the cereal in the same thing like for the chips. And like, it was crazy. Some of it would keep, then some of it wouldn't. Like, some containers was keep, and it was like all in the same set. It was just weird. I ain't had time for y'all. Like, I don't got time to be wasting food, okay? Like, I really don't. But yeah guys, hopefully, like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I do plan on doing more of these because I do like organizing. Like, it just makes everything just look so much, to me, it just makes everything just look so much neater and just so much more like just presentable and organized and easy to get to as well. I do feel like most of the stuff that I switched from bags to canister do hold up a lot better. Like, for instance, the cookies, because you know how like you got the pack, which is cool because you can like seal the pack back, but like over time, because I tend to go into Oreos like 6 or 7 times a day, mind your business. So over time, that little flab don't be doing nothing no more. But I feel like with the canisters, it hold up a lot longer because we had some Oreos in there, but I didn't really care for them. And I was about to throw them away. And then my daughter looked at me. I was like, I don't know, baby. But I tasted one and it was perfectly fine, y'all. So I was like, oh yeah, these containers it's where it's at, y'all. But yeah guys, so like I said, hopefully you enjoy. I do plan to do more videos, but if you have any comments about anything, like where I got anything from, go ahead, drop it down below. Most likely it was probably Walmart, but then again, you know, I can't just say Walmart because your girl did do a lot of shopping for house stuff at like Burlington, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Like, y'all, if you are on house shopping or just like want to revamp like your house or apartment or whatever the case is for like not a lot of money, baby, Burlington is where it's at. First, I wasn't really from Burlington like that, but they have really good like kitchen stuff. They have really good like canister sets. Like, that's where I got a lot of this stuff from too, y'all. But like I said, drop them comments. Y'all have more videos like this coming soon. And like I always say, everybody not gonna like you. but everybody don't got good taste. Okay, and with that being said, peace, love, and happiness.